Chromium ore is an important raw material for the production of ferrochrome and metallic chromium, so chromium ore is widely used in industry and metallurgy. However, some fine chromium slag in the mining process cannot be used directly due to its small particle size, and the global chromium ore resources are relatively limited, especially high-quality chromium ore is more scarce. Therefore, it is of vital importance to rationally mine and efficiently utilize chromium ore resources. Jianjie chromium ore powder briquettes binder is polymerized from a variety of polymer environmentally friendly materials, with high viscosity, high forming rate, high strength, low cost, energy saving and environmental protection. The end briquettes are widely used in blast furnace, direct reduction furnace, cupola, gasification furnace and other furnace. If you have other needs, please contact us, we will provide you with customized services.